invite the panel speakers to please come up. His Excellency Ali Sowa, Engineer Abdurrahman Musali, Mr. Hamel Amrani, please, if you could come up. Yes, I've been tasked with the evening session. We've broken every record for the Arab Water Week with this session. And we'll try to actually condense it a bit, just so we're so late in the evening. I just wanted to add to the agencies what they've said on these indicators, since there's no one on indicator 651. Actually, ESCWA has worked with the UN Environment DHI Center on Water and Environment on preparing a regional report on indicator 651, IWRM, for the Arab region. And that report has looked at the results from a regional point of view, focusing on transboundary and groundwater aspects of IWRM, also providing an overview for the Arab region. And a final draft is ready now for circulation. It will be circulated with the AwareNet, which is hosted by ESCWA. And I invite people that are interested to register on AwareNet, awarenet.info, to be part of the group that will be reviewing and inputting into that Arab regional report on indicator 651, for those of you who are interested. We have a very interesting panel on SDG monitoring and reporting. We'll have two national views and one regional view on this reporting and monitoring. So to save time, we'll start with Engineer His Excellency Ali Sobah. Do I need to introduce you? How many sessions have you been in today? No, it's enough. And I think your name is very well known in the region and in this country. I would just like to add that you've been also a member of the ESCWA Water Resources Committee for now.
Understand.
Yeah, a very active member of that. So I won't give any dates, but he's been a very active member of the ESCWA Water Resource Committee also. Jordan has been one of the lead countries in the region and a pilot country for SDG monitoring and reporting. And there's been a lot of lessons learned from the Jordanian experience. I'd like to start with you. How have you modified or set up or modified your national monitoring system in Jordan in light of SDG 6 reporting and monitoring? What changes have you done, and what lessons can you share with us from that?
Thank you very much for being here with the nice people in the panel about SDG 6. SDG 6, we are, as you know, as Rehal said, that we are one of the countries which selected for monitoring SDG 6. So we tried from the beginning, because we are suffering from many things relating to the water scarcity, relating to the per capita and others, that we should do our best to see where we are and where we are going. So our report, as base report, was sent on time, and now we would not prepare our report if we didn't have a national committee. We created a national committee from all related agencies that contribute in the report, plus the support from the UN agencies. So thank for that. We will not forget that we had a support from FAO, from UNICEF, from WHO and others. We put the KPIs for all the indicators in the SDG 6. Some indicators we are close to the target, but some is far away. And we now preparing ourselves to see where we are after 2 years, what we did. And we see that there is a challenges to reach the target in 2030 in many KPIs, not because we are not willing to do this, but because of the financial issue, because many targets to reach it need a huge infrastructure for that. And there is something the geopolitical situation not allow you to reach it. In addition to the political situation in the region itself, يعني in the national level, the same thing we face some challenges. But we try our best to make a national water information system that will have access all the related ministries. Because if you want to see where you are, you should have an information. So National Water Information System now established, the first phase finished, the second phase for access for Department of Statistics, the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Environment, the Department of the الأرصاد الجوية مفلح Meteorological Department. Now we are prepared the TOR how to make the access for their information, and they will have access in the needed information from our water information system. And we put the KPIs definition in the National Water Information System. And the equation needed for